There's a quiet pressure to stay consistent, to want the same things, to keep moving in the same direction, as if changing your mind means something went wrong. Welcome to the quote for today. I'm glad you're here. Today's quote offers permission to let desire evolve without turning it into a problem. You're allowed to want different things at different times. This quote reminds us that desire isn't fixed. It responds to experience, season, and growth. What felt right once may feel heavy later. What once motivated you may no longer fit. That doesn't mean you were mistaken. It means you were paying attention then, and you're paying attention now. When we judge ourselves for changing, confusion sets in. We cling to old wants out of loyalty or fear of inconsistency, but clarity returns when we allow desire to update. Life is not a single decision carried forever. It's a series of honest adjustments. Wanting different things doesn't erase the past. It honors it. Each version of desire brought you here. Allowing yourself to shift makes room for alignment in the present, rather than obligation to what no longer fits. Here's one gentle way to work with this today. Notice something you want now that differs from what you wanted before. Instead of questioning it, ask what it reflects about where you are today. Carry that permission with you as the day unfolds. You don't owe permanence to past desires. Clarity grows when you let yourself change. And here are two related thoughts to sit with. Desire evolves with awareness. And alignment follows honesty. Until we meet again tomorrow, let's make it a great day.